Hello, my name is Debbie Reynolds. They call me the Data Diva. Today I want to talk about the Communications Decency Act, especially Section 230. The Communications Decency Act was passed in 1996. It is Title V of a larger Telecommunications Act, but this particular passage of Section 230, some people say that it invented the modern internet, or it enabled the internet to thrive as it does today. This particular part of the Communications Decency Act is about allowing service providers to be able to host data or host information of third parties without being directly liable for the content that they provide. Now, there are exceptions to this, mostly about federally criminal activity, things like maybe sex trafficking or infringement of IP or copyright rights. But people feel as though this has really helped internet companies over the years really thrive into a global powerhouse type of industry, and also helped content creators be able to get their messages out. The current climate right now in the U.S., there's a new law being proposed. It's called Earn It. Earn It is attempting to change Section 230 of this particular law to make internet service providers liable now for content that people put on their services. So currently, this particular segment is about not considering internet service providers being a publisher, almost like a newspaper, but having them be sort of the method by which people make these communication exchanges. EARN is about the stopping things like child pornography, but the methods by which they think that this should happen would mean that they would make internet service providers not only liable, but they will be responsible for moderating, changing, deleting content that was created by third parties. It would deeply weaken what people in the U.S. consider First Amendment rights to free speech, and also the changes in how data is being shown or scanned or analyzed by the government. They would want to weaken encryption. As I said on the earlier video, encryption is not as easy as people think it is. And currently, if you break some encryption, it's like breaking all of it. So it's not an issue about some things can be encrypted and some can't. So people are concerned that this would deeply weaken encryption for non-illegal activity, just regular day-to-day communications that people have, that it will have a chilling effect on free speech, and that it will make internet service providers like publishers be able to put onerous restrictions on themselves and more burden to run internet businesses, and also to basically babysit content creators. So it remains to be seen how this will play out. People are very interested to see how it plays out, because this particular push to change Section 230 can have amazing, unbelievable ripple effects that aren't not necessarily good for things like freedom of speech, for encryption, for technology creation, and also for content creators that have nothing to do with any illicit or criminal activity on the internet. That's it. Thank you.